Guys, you're welcome back here again. This is Banky Kryptonite. This update I have for you right now is concerning this Hamster Combat. Guys, if it has been long, you log into your Hamster Combat and you perform your duties there, you will have to go in there now. So to check, maybe your account has been banned. It's not because you leave it dormant that will make it ban, because some people, the reason is that some people cheat while getting this key here. Some people cheat while getting it. We get the key through mini games here, while some people are using script to get the key. So right now, Hamster Combat has started banning account. You can check your account, log into your account to see maybe you have got banned. So this is what the Hamster Combat require you, ask you to do. Go to mini games. For those people that don't know how to get their key, you just go to the mini game, click on puzzle and play the key. You win it. If you don't win it, then leave it. Don't cheat on the game. Don't cheat on the game. Many people that cheat on this Hamster Combat right now, their account has been banned. Their account has been banned. So don't try to cheat Hamster Combat because you will regret it. What you have been mining is all these days will just go on waste like that. So that is the update I have for you. That is the update I have for you. And don't forget, September 20, I think 26 is the listing day of Hamster Combat. So on September 26th right now, you can start withdrawing your Hamster Combat. I'm still going to give you more updates concerning that one. I'm still going to give you more updates. So this is what I just have for you. Let me try these mini games. Maybe I can get it right now. For those people that are watching this video for today, you can just use this. Let me do this. Mm, let's try. Let's try. Mm, 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 mm. If I don't get it, then I don't get it. So don't cheat on the game. Don't cheat while playing this game. Do not cheat. That is the rule. Do not cheat. It will not help you at all. Cheating will not help you at all, at all. So I don't think I get this one. So that is just how it is. That is just how it is. Mm, I don't think I get it. So that is just how it is. In like 5 minutes again, you can play it again. You can play it again and try it again. It's still the same game. Just try it again. Where you lose, you still try it again. Then you will get it. I've only get up to 10K. It's not that I play it every day. I do not play it every day. So just try your best and leave the rest. Try your best and leave the rest. Don't cheat on this game. So that is it. That is the information I have for you. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.